uh, week one, welcome. It's official that after 20-ish years of not sitting in a saddle or riding a horse, I have ridden a horse again. And I'd like to say that I'm not sore, but I am just a little bit. It's definitely a different kind of workout. Yesterday, our first official riding lesson, the kids and I drove up to a really nice equestrian center, and yeah, we had our first lesson on English style horse riding. Yeah, so first lessons went great. Each of us had our own instructor, which was really cool. Like, I thought we would just be kind of together-ish or going one at a time, but no, we all had our own instructor and we all rode at the same time. It was English style saddle, a hunter seat, and I've never ridden that before. I have only ever, and the kids as well, we have only ever ridden Western saddle, just because that's what we have here. And it was definitely an experience. It's different, from just the shape and seat of the saddle itself to the stirrups to the reins and how you hold the reins. That's really, I think that was probably the hardest thing for me to get used to, was the whole two-handed hold and the way that you pull. It was good, but you know, we did that, so we all got on, and then we got to walk around the arena, and then we even got to trot and learn how to post, which that was interesting. It's one of those things where you're watching horse riders, equestrians, and you're like, oh yeah, like that's so, it looks so easy. But then you get on there and the horse starts trotting and you're just like bouncing around. They're like, oh no, you gotta do it. Like, gotta find that rhythm. So interesting, but so cool. Like, we cannot wait to go back. So we go back in 2 weeks for our next lesson, and we're all pumped, stoked. I can't wait. I'm loving it so far. And it's just been one lesson. But yeah, so yeah, that's video update number 1 for our horse riding lesson adventure, and see where it takes us. Bye.